I will show you how you can fix Spotify Wrapped 2024 not showing. There are several reasons why this might not show up on the application on your mobile device. What you can do in here is to go ahead and check the version of your Spotify. So as you can see in here, for my Spotify app, I won't be able to find that Spotify Wrapped section since this application is actually an APK file. So this is not the application straight from the Play Store. So Spotify Wrapped isn't actually available for this types of application. So to be able to get Spotify Wrapped, go ahead and head over to your Play Store and search for Spotify and go ahead and install the legitimate app on the Play Store. Now, if you haven't updated your app yet, this can also be the reason why you don't have Spotify Wrapped on your application. So just go ahead and update that. Now, if the problem that you're encountering of not seeing Spotify Wrapped is actually on the desktop or PC version, then what you can do with that is to go ahead and just search for the wrap word on the search field of your Spotify app on your desktop or PC, and you'll be able to find your Spotify Wrapped in there. And that's basically how you can fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.